check out one of my favorite Milwaukee tools that I have. This is an M18 8-inch metal cutting circular saw. Works just like a circular saw for metal. Catches a lot of the chips in this little tray. Got an overload light to tell you if you're pushing too hard. But it'll cut like 3/4 inch plate, no problem.
Tell him, babe, I get it, darling. Yeah, you got a situation, stop sweating, darling. Yeah, just cool, don't panic, darling. You ain't seen the gun in real life, but I bring it, darling. Yeah, crashing up.